Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Futurefest car show, first annual car show at the Journey Church in Yulee, Florida. This was the first time they've ever done this show, so we really didn't know what to expect. This is going to be the car show cam where we drive in. Unfortunately, we did not participate in this show, so there's not going to be very much here, so feel free to skip on to the scooter vision or the walkabout or the lid cam, because we drove in, or drove around, parked, and then drove out. So not much there. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going to the car shows. We're going to keep taking you with us. So I'll shut up now. Let's get out to the car show. So let's rev it up for them hot rods. I would hope they do.
Yeah. But maybe their arena is not a civic center. It has other things booked into it. I don't know.
Well, I don't know if you heard the guys behind us in line last night talking, but apparently that arena up there booked solid of damn hockey events.
There's Journey Church. People waiting to get in.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you get to you're gonna go straight, and then when you see green cones, just turn left when you get to the green cones, and then you can park wherever you want.
All right. Left at the green cones.
How self-explanatory was that?
Hi.
How are you guys?
Just fine. Spectator parking?
Yes.
Right there?
Go down there, follow them.
All right.
They don't know what to say. Of course, it is their first time. I'll park further out here so we can get your scooter out.
Well, I wanted to look and see what's available first and what they got for cars over there.
Okay.
I may come back around and park right there by that Corvette.
Yeah.
About what I expected.
Yeah.
I'll park on the other side of that island by that Corvette.
Yeah.
By that black thing, trash can thing.
Yeah. What are those things?
Hot coffee. I don't end up drinking it till I get somewhere.
Yeah. It's hot in this truck after being out in the wind.
Yeah. It's because it ain't windy.
Mm-hmm.
Who that wind will cut you today?
Yep.
In case they got anybody stops us on the way out.
Yeah.
Of course, I think they pulled in there.
Those I don't think are frisbee things. Those
No.
are something else.
They kind of look like trash bins or something.
Yeah. Maybe so. Got two different people out here now. Well, how were they raising? Oh, they were doing raffle tickets, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Yeah. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the Futurefest car show at the Journey Church in Yulee, Florida. This was a good show for a first time show. I think they had somewhere around 50 cars. Maybe 30. I didn't count, unfortunately. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Make sure you're subscribed, because YouTube sometimes likes to unsubscribe people that are think they're subscribed to the channel. It happens. It's a weird quirk of YouTube. I think it's just to make us paranoid. Anyway, so double check, make sure you're subscribed. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to share the video around, like it if you can, comment it on it if you got time. That really helps out the channel. We're at 334 subscribers, which is great. It's awesome. I love all my subscribers. You guys are making it happen. But we're trying to get to 500. We got to get that first 500 to get them YouTube ad dollars to start rolling in, to start paying for all the equipment upgrades and going out to further shows. 'Cause we need gas money. I know gas prices is going down, but when you drive a big vehicle, it tends to hurt. So anyway, do that. It'd be great. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. We keep putting out videos. We put out videos every day. So make sure you subscribe so you can get to see every video we drop. And I'll see you guys out at the car show, whatever the next car show may be.